Hey everyone, have you ever forgotten your Facebook password and wished you could just see it? In this tutorial, I will show you how to retrieve your Facebook password directly from your phone. To do that, first open your settings app from your phone. Now scroll and look for password or password manager. If you cannot find it on the settings, then just tap here the search tab or search icon and write here password or password manager. From here, look for the password manager. And here it is. Just tap on this password manager. Now you can see all the list of the accounts from your phone. Just scroll and found the Facebook. Here it is. Just tap on this. Here you can see your Facebook password, and to just tap on this eye icon, you can see the password. So that's it. This is how you can easily access your Facebook password whenever you need. For added security, consider using a password manager to store or manage your password safely. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.